Dear student, today's topic is understanding quadrilateral exercise 3.3. It is from NCERT book. So everyone take out your NCERT book and look at the question number 1 from exercise 3.3. It is page number 50. So question number 1, it is given that given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. So here this figure is given in the book. ABCD is a parallelogram and the diagonal AC and BD intersect at the point O. So first Roman 1, it is given that AD equal to what and why. So AD equal to BC because AD and BC are equal opposite sides of the parallelogram. So AD equal to BC. BC is not given in the book. So AD equal to BC, and why? Because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. This is the property of the parallelogram. Next question number Roman 2. It is given in the book angle DCB. Angle DCB equal to what and why? So angle DCB equal to, DCB is one of the angle of the parallelogram ABCD, and opposite angle of this angle DCB is DAB, and opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. So DCB equal to, angle DCB equal to angle DAB because opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. Next Roman 3. OC equal to what and why? So OC equal to OA because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. OC equal to A. And what is the sum of these two angles? And measurement of the angle DAB plus measurement of the angle CDA equal to 180 degree because co-interior angle. So angle, this angle and this angle are co-interior angle. So sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Next question number 2. Question number 2, Roman 1. Consider the following parallelograms and the value of x, y, z. That means in Roman 1 this figure is given and it is a parallelogram. It is also given that ABCD is a parallelogram and one of the angle is 100 degree. It is given. Find the value of x, y, z. X, y, z. X is the measurement of the angle C. Y is the measurement of the angle D and Z is the measurement of angle A. So now angle DAB, that is DAB, this angle, plus angle CBA, that means this angle. So sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree because these two angles are co-interior angle. So angle DAB equal to Z and CBA equal to 100, so Z plus 100 equal to 180 degree, Z equal to 80 degree. Again, we know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle BCD, that means angle BCD, these two angles are equal to each other, opposite angles of the parallelogram. Similarly, these two angles are also equal because opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. So angle DCB equal to angle DAB equal to x equal to z equal to x equal to z is equal to 80. So x equal to 80 degree. And ADC, angle ADC equal to angle ABC. ADC, this angle equal to this angle. So y equal to 100 degree. Here it is written. Question number 2, Roman 2. ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the value of x, y and z. So here DAB, that means DAB plus CBA, these two angles are co-interior angle. So y plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree. So y equal to 130 degree. 180 degree minus 50 degree equal to y equal to 130 degree. So y equal to 130 degree. Now opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. So since it is y equal to 130 degree, so these are the two opposite angle. So x is also equal to y. So x equal to y equal to 130 degree here. And next, corresponding angle. These two lines are parallel. That means AD parallel BC and DX transversal. So x and y, these two angles are corresponding angle. So z equal to y equal to 130 degree, because z is equal to z equal to x and x equal to 130 degree. So z equal to 130 degree. In question number 2, Roman 3. Here this is the figure A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. This is 90 degree angle. This is 30 degree angle. Find the value of x, y and z. So these two angles are vertically opposite angle. So angle DOC, this angle equal to angle AOB. So x equal to 90 degree here. Now in triangle DOC, sum of the three angles of this triangle is 180 degree. So x plus y plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. Here these are the angle. So x plus y plus 30 degree, x plus y plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. But value of x is already known, it is 90 degree. So y plus 90 degree plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. From this relation, y equal to 60 degree. Now these two angle are alternate angle, because AB parallel DC and this is the transversal DB. So these two angle are alternate angle. So y equal to z, that means z equal to y, and already y equal to 60 degree. So z equal to also 60 degree. Here it is written angle ABD equal to CDB, alternate interior angle. Next to Roman 4. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram, and this is the point Z. This is x. So this angle is 80 degree. It is given. Find the value of x, y and z. So first here, co-interior angle DAB plus CBA, that means sum of these two angles is 180 degree, because adjacent angle, sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, or their co-interior angle. So x plus 80 equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 100 degree. Now these two angles are opposite angles of the parallelogram. So angle ADC equal to angle CBA, imply y equal to 80 degree. So these are the two opposite angles of the parallelogram, they are equal. So y equal to 80 degree from here. Now here alternate angle DCX and ADC, these two angles are alternate angle. That means DCX this angle and ADC, these two angles are alternate angle, because these two lines are parallel, and DC transversal, DA parallel CB, opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel, and DC transversal. So angle Z equal to Y, alternate angle. So Y is equal to 80 degree from this relation. So Z equal to 80 degree. Next, question number 2, Roman 5. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the parallelogram, and this is the angle 112 degree. It is 40 degree. Find the value of x, y and z. Now y equal to 112 degree, because opposite angles of the parallelogram, it is written here angle ADC equal to angle ABC, opposite angles of the parallelogram. This is the angle ADC and this is the angle ABC. So ADC equal to ABC equal to y equal to 112 degree, opposite angles of the parallelogram. Now Z plus 40 degree, these two angles DAB, this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree, because co-interior angle, and this angle equal to 40 plus Z plus 112. Here it is written DAB plus CBA equal to 180 degree, co-interior angle, these two angle, and DAB equal to 40 plus Z. So 40 plus Z equal to 112 degree. In this figure, here sum of these two angle is 180 degree co-interior angle, means these two angle, and this angle is equal to 40 plus Z, and this is 112. So 40 plus Z plus 112 degree equal to 180 degree. So Z plus sum of these two number is 152 equal to 180 degree. Here is degree. So now Z equal to 180 minus 52 degree equal to 28 degree. And these two angle DCA equal to BAC, DCA equal to BAC. That means these two angle X equal to Z. These two angle are for interior alternate angle. So X equal to Z. So X equal to Z and Z equal to 28. So X equal to 28 degree. So ultimately X equal to 28 degree, Y equal to 112 degree, Z equal to 28 degree. Now question number 3. Here it is given, can the quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if sum of these two angle is 180 degree? If angle D plus angle B, that means opposite angle. So sum of the two opposite angle is 100 degree, 80 degree. Then is it possible to ABCD is a parallelogram? So it may be a parallelogram but not always true, because sum of the opposite angles, so angle D plus B equal to 180 degree. If opposite angles are equal, that means if 180 divided by 2, it is equal to if opposite angles are 180 degree, that means opposite angles are equal, then each angle is 90 degree. Then it is possible if opposite angles are equal. But if opposite angles are not equal, suppose they are not equal, then it is not possible to, it is a parallelogram. Next, Roman 2. Here it is given AB equal to CD equal to 8 centimeter and AD equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 4.4 centimeter. So AB equal to DC, opposite sides 8 centimeter are equal, but AD and BC are also opposite side, but they are not equal. So no, it is not a parallelogram because opposite sides are not equal. Roman 3. Here angle A equal to 70 degree and C equal to 65 degree. They are opposite angle but not equal. So opposite angles are not equal, so it is not a parallelogram. Next, question number 4. In question number 4, the question is, draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measures. So it is not a parallelogram but opposite angles are equal in measures. So it is a kite. So these two angles are equal, but it is not a parallelogram. So here ABCD is a kite where exactly two opposite angles ABC and ADC are equal. ABC this angle and ADC this angle. These two angles are equal in magnitude. So, but it is not a parallelogram. Question number 5. Here ABCD is a parallelogram and the adjacent angle are in the ratio 3:2. It is given 3:2. So let DAB, two adjacent angle are in the ratio 3:2. So DAB equal to 3x degree and ABC equal to 2x degree, where x is the common factor, x degree. Now sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree because they are co-interior angle. So from this relation 3x plus 2x equal to 180, 5x equal to 180, x equal to 36. Now DAB this angle, So DAB equal to 3x degree and x is equal to 36. So 3 into 36 degree equal to 108 degree. And angle ABC equal to 2x degree equal to 2 into 36 degree and 2 into 36 equal to 72 degree. So angle ABC equal to 72 degree. Now opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. So BCD equal to BAD. BCD means BCD equal to BAD. These two angles are opposite angle. So this angle is equal to 108 degree. So this is also 108 degree. And these two angle are opposite angle. Angle B equal to angle D. That means ABC equal to angle ABC equal to angle ADC. And this is equal to 72 degree. So this angle is also 72 degree. So angle ADC equal to angle ABC equal to 72 degree. One more. Question number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Find the measures of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So here ABCD is a parallelogram, and since two adjacent angles are equal in measures, so let angle DAB, that means this angle DAB, this angle and this angle are equal to x degree each. This is x degree and it is x degree. So it is given that adjacent angle are equal, so it is x degree and x degree. But they are adjacent angles, so sum of these two angles is 180 degree or co-interior angle. It is not linear pair. So co-interior angle. So x plus x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 90. X plus x, here x is degree, so x plus x equal to 180, x equal to 90. And also these two angles are equal 90 degree and opposite angle are also equal since it is a parallelogram. So opposite angle are also equal. So all the angles are 90 degree. Thank you.